Today's the 11th of July 2022, and I think you can enter this time. It's on Rummunlyöjänkatu, Rummunlyöjänkatu 11, 4. Is it?
3.
3. Building 3 is tickets B here in Leppävaara, Espoo, Espoo region, Finland. And this research building, as I mentioned, is belonging to the Aalto University. It was built in late 2001, finished in 2002, turned 20 years old in last year, 2021. This on Bridge 71132. Rest stays 8 personal seats per grounds. It's going to be inspected next year, 2023. Has 5 floors. Stickers A has 6 floors, so Stickers A is better here, but this is still very nice. Older Kone logo still on that, but still this is late 2001.
Yeah.
And the other staircase has a sauna on the 6th floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, common for the whole building.
Yeah.
And yeah, of course there is space reserved for a 6th floor on the panel, but they didn't build it.
Yeah. Maintained by Kone.
Yeah. Strange sound.
Yeah.
But that's the circulating mental for the circulation. For the air to circulate.
Yeah.
That's a lock for the control panel.
Yeah.
Classic alloy lock. It's like a safety lock.
Yeah.
Or lock continues, just to call it. And that's it. And watch the stickers A here as well.
That's